Hello everyone! Welcome again to our Financial Solutions Today YouTube channel. So don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button so that you will be notified in all of our Financial Solution Today online coaching. And also don't forget to like and share to the people around you. Today we are going to talk about probably one of the most important thing in our finances, and I call that the financial blueprint. Okay? So the big question mark right now, especially in the midst of this pandemic crisis, do you feel that almost all people are worried? Why is that so? Because people don't have enough savings. They are burdened by loans, they lack money for emergencies, and most of the time, income is not enough to pay monthly bills. These are situations that create so much stress to people. We can avoid all of these things only if we have the right financial information. That's why we find it very important to share to our friends and the people that we know the concept behind building a good and solid financial foundation, and I called it the financial blueprint. Just like building a house, if you want a house that is stable, okay, enough to weather all the storms, that house must have a solid, strong foundation. Okay, buti pa nga daw ang bahay may blueprint. But ang buhay, karamihan wala pong blueprint. Kaya sino nagko-collapse sa dulo? Bahay or buhay? And having a strong and solid financial foundation, it can be built if you have the right financial information. And this is the concept I learned 17 years ago, and I call it the X curve, which have been able to help thousands of families. I have personally found out this information and started to apply this concept to my finances. So let me share to you this simple concept. So it is said that in terms of financial aspect of our life, there are two contrasting lines. The line going up and the line going down. One line is what we call money line or our savings line. And this line through the years should go up. The other line is our responsibility line, okay? And in this line, okay, over time it should go down, okay? But this responsibility line will never go down if the money line doesn't go up. Down here in the line from stage 1 to stage 4, this is our timeline, okay? The first stage of our life is the stage we're in. Money or savings is almost zero, but our responsibility is very high. Okay? In this stage, we are very less secure. That's why we work so hard to earn money. Since we work hard for the money, okay, we earn income. The question mark here, the big question mark here is income temporary or permanent? As we all know, income is temporary because it can be lost anytime. In situation like loss of job, retirement from company, disability, worse is death. And right now during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis, we know that we experience it the most. The income that we make provides for all of our needs. Questions, how about our needs? Are they temporary or are they permanent? And as we all know, needs are permanent. Even if our income is lost, we will still be hungry. That's why we still need to eat. What if the income is lost? Do we still need shelter? Of course, we still need protection from our own home. How about clothing? That is a permanent need to buy from time to time because of wear and tear. How about education? Okay? If income stops, children still need to continue studying. How about health? Majority of our population gets sick, okay, when they retire from their job. That is too sad. How about our debts? Temporary income provides for payment of our debt, in which have been obviously acquired through our temporary income. Since income is temporary and needs are permanent, there's so much imbalance. That's why we have to protect ourselves and our family against loss of income. We need income replacement, something which will protect us once income is cut. How much protection do we need? It depends on our annual income. Let's say our average income is 20,000 a month. So that's 240,000 a year. We need protection equivalent to 10 years of our income. That's about 2.4 million pesos. You need 2.4 million worth of income replacement. We have to take note that as your savings increases, your responsibility decreases. Okay? So at stage 2 of our life, we have to, if you have saved 400,000 pesos, then your responsibility goes down to 2 million. Okay, at stage 3, your saving goes up to 2 million. Then your responsibility goes down to 400,000. And your responsibility will be 0 at stage 4. If you have saved 2.4 million, stage 4 is the best because that is the stage where we have big savings. Well, it's very easy to think that even at old age, when we retire, our needs still permanent. We still have to eat, we still have to buy clothes, maybe we already have our own home and we're not renting anymore, but we still have to pay realty taxes. Our kids have graduated, or so lesser expenses or no expense for them at all at this stage. Health will come as a major challenge to our finances because this is the time that our body deteriorates. Okay, so we can make stage 4 secured. Okay, we can make stage 4 a very secured stage if we can meet LOI. So we've studied that in our previous session. LOI means living on interest. The interest of our savings can sustain our future permanent needs. This is the stage where we can make our money work for us. That's passive income. Example, if we have 2.4 million and we place it in a vehicle which could give us 10% rate of interest per year, it can give us 240,000 a year, which actually the same annual income we are making before. Okay, therefore, we can say retirement of a person is not dictated by age. It's based on the amount of money that we have saved. If you want to retire young, just save 10 times of your annual income and make money work for you. So we need to focus. We need to focus on making our savings grow, thereby making our money line go up. We need to do it fast because there are only two things that could happen to us. Either we die too soon or we live too long. If we die too soon, will there be a problem? We don't have a problem once we're gone. But how about the people that we love? The people that we will leave behind? Probably they are the one who will have a problem. That's why in this case, okay, we need income replacement. But what if we live too long? Is there still a problem? Okay, there is a problem if we don't have big savings. Okay, at this stage, we should have accumulated savings to protect us in our years that we don't work anymore. That's the reason why we need to have to increase our money line very fast. How do we do that? By knowing how money works. So we can put our money at a different rates of return. Supposing we have 100,000, if we put our 100,000 at 4%, the outcome would be 400,000 after 36 years. Okay, in this example, at 8%, it will be 1.6 million. At 12%, it will be 6.4 million. So we can make our money line go up faster by putting it in a higher return. If we put our money at 4%, it will become 400,000. But if we put it at 12%, it will become 6.4 million. The difference is 6 million. It's a very big difference. That's how big we're losing if we place our money at 4%. Another thing is, why if we borrow money like housing loan, car loan, etc. Normally, we are being charged that 12% and up in acquiring that loan. So, if our money is at 4%, which becomes 400,000, then we are being charged 12% for our debt. Consequently, we can say that another 6 million loss. Okay, if we continue to be in this position, okay, for so long, instead of making our money line go up, it will go down. So, money has only two directions. Either you win or you lose. That's why it's so important that we understand how money works. That's why we offer people solution. We need to really make our money line go up. Okay, first, we have to reduce our debt and eventually eliminate it. Obviously, if we keep on acquiring debts, money always goes down. Secondly, we need to save. We need to practice pay yourself first. Okay? When we get our paycheck, we pay Meralco, PLDT, SM, and etc. They become rich because you keep on paying them. How about you? You're the one who works so hard to earn that money. You should pay yourself first, at least 20%. So we learned that in our previous session. We call it the 10-20-70 rule. Example, you earn 20,000 a month. At least you pay yourself 4,000. By saving that money, that will contribute to the increase of your money line. But if you want to make your money line go up faster, then you have to make more money to be able to save more money. So our goal right now should be to move from a less secure to a more secure life. So why are we sharing this concept? It is because this Financial Solutions Today International, in partnership with Livelihood Support Association, has a mission to families. No family left behind. We want to make a difference in the life of every family. We want to deliver a financial wake-up call and financial solution to help every family take care of their financial future. We need to do it fast. We need to do it fast because the number of Filipinos who live in poverty are increasing. Also, the number of Filipinos who retire broke are also increasing. No one plans to fail. They just fail to plan. That's why we need to plan our financial future. Do you want to acquire financial knowledge and work on your plan? Or you want others to do it for you? If you want others to do it for you, then be ready and pay a financial consultant. Acquiring financial knowledge and working on plan is probably the path that we have chosen. You can acquire that knowledge by enrolling in a reputable school like AIM, Asian Institute of Management, but of course you have to be very ready to pay a big amount for tuition fee. Average people cannot afford to enroll. Consequently, average people must have this knowledge. So here, FSTI, the Financial Solutions Today International, in partnership with LSA, is a company to the rescue. Okay, we will help you with your financial plan. We have livelihood opportunities that can help you increase income and eventually increase your savings. We do financial coaching seminar, livelihood training seminar. You will not need financial consultant. You yourself will plan for your future. Then we'll share it to a lots of people around us and mentor those who want to build their future right. You learn, you apply it to yourself, you feel secure, you help by sharing, you earn, and you will be on your way to financial independence. So I hope that you learn from this financial blueprint. Is so important that we acquire this financial information. Okay, again, so don't forget to click subscribe, okay, and click the bell button so you will be notified on our next session. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for watching and listening to this financial blueprint session. Goodbye, everyone.